Oh, there's another one. He's got a friend.
This is second Goliath. Goliath right here. Second Goliath. Beast. Yeah. Look at that Goliath. Woo! This is about a 200 pounder. Alright guys.
Oh, there's another one. He's got a friend.
This is second Goliath. Goliath right here. Second Goliath. Woo! Look at that thing.
Yep, right next to him.
All right, Jabrel.
Does look like a manatee.
Jabrel. Here. You're in the rod. You're strong.
Like too much,
Here.
No, perfect. Just leave it right on him.
Step back a little. All right, you guys. That's a Gorman with ramp monsters. Another lunker, Goliath Grouper, right at the ramp. Look at that thing. His hand's bigger than my hand. Oh, guys. All right. It ain't the same fish, confirmed.
I don't see any hooks in there.
If you like this video, please check out our podcast, The Real Guy Podcast, wherever you listen to your podcasts.